to pray for all of us, all these people, this tribe of warriors, so that they are protected for the rest of the day. Should I? Yes. So, in the presence of the sun, the moon, and the universe, Om Japakusam Sarvasham Kashpyam Mahadvim Tavorim Sarpavana Pranto Asmi Divakaram Om Dadishankusharam Shirodhan Vasamvam Namami Shashina Sumam Shambhoroktam Bhushnam Om Bhurbhuvassuva Tatsavitur Vareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all be protected.